Hello, everyone. I trust those watching this are well and are taking the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your loved ones from illness through washing your hands, social distancing, and other means. Aren't you glad, though, during this pandemic that your job is in manufacturing? We've seen an unprecedented shutdown of our service industries throughout the country and the world. Airlines, cruise lines, movies, restaurants, even exercise facilities are shut down. Your job is in manufacturing. Our order files are full. Our production is good. Our harvesting operations are normal. And we've got great prices right now. So the housing industry is going strong. It is not a service industry. It is a construction industry. And that will persevere through this pandemic. I want to assure you that RoyOMartin is still in business, even though the world as we know it has turned upside down. We will persevere through this coronavirus pandemic. Your health, safety, and well-being is our top priority. We've been making a number of changes to our operations to accommodate our new normal. You've probably noticed fewer team meetings, limited visitor access, and increased distancing throughout all of our plants. You've also noticed that our safety meetings have been suspended at this time and more one-on-one safety talks. That does not mean that your safety switch should be turned off. In fact, right now, with the distancing, we need to be more aware of our surroundings because our team members are farther away. Do not ever sacrifice safety for production. We want to increase our housekeeping throughout our facilities, being sure that all of our handrails are cleaned off. Our leaders, our occupational health nurses and legacy health and wellness staff are well equipped to listen to your concerns and help you with any personal health issues. We want to make things as normal as possible for you when you're at work. That includes maintaining production and other operations at appropriate levels so you can count on your paycheck. In fact, we're still hiring. With all of us banded together, we will get through this. With that being said, we recently compiled our list of 2019 accomplishments in safety, quality, production, and other areas. I believe our team members are the best in our industry, and I want to acknowledge you for your efforts in attaining these achievements. Our accomplishments can be found on our website in the news section, and when we feel the time is right, we'll share them more publicly. On a personal note, I want to pass along that Norman K. Martin, my uncle, and the man behind many of RoyOMartin's responsible forestry management practices, passed away last week at 93 years of age. He lived a full life, balancing his love for family with his entrepreneurial endeavors and philanthropic work. Please join me in praying for his wife, Lorraine, and their children during this time. I do appreciate your patience, understanding, and flexibility in this period of uncertainty. Knowing that we will heed our guidance from the CDC, our governor, and other experts to make decisions in your best interest, please watch for more COVID-19 and other communications in the coming days, and remember to call the RoyOMartin Facility Status Line for the latest information impacting your facility. Most importantly, take care of yourself and your family members. I believe in zero still during this pandemic. Your safety is our #1 priority. Thank you and God bless.